Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Friends, in this video, we'll discuss a great concept of investing, which can basically revolutionize the way we invest money and can make us really, really wealthy, right? And this is a very amazing concept called the coffee can investing. And the core philosophy of this investing is very simple. It's basically to buy right and sit tight. You have to just buy right and sit tight. So, what is this framework? Who coined this, and how to use this? All we are going to learn in this video. So, this video is going to be amazing, guys. And once you watch it, your investing fundamentals are going to be changing forever. And amazing things can happen for you with your investing in the next 10 years, right? So, have you ever thought that what if you buy like 10 to 15 stocks, just 10 to 15 stocks, and you just buy them once and never touch them again, and after 10 years they turn into an amount like 10 to 15 crores, and you just forget about it, right? You forget about it and you find them, it has become this much, which is basically ensuring your financial freedom, right? So, what is this strategy? How can you do this? And who actually coined this, right? From where it came? So, coffee can investing was actually, this term was given by Robert Kirby. Robert Kirby, great guy, and he was a US based investor. He was based out of US in 1980s. This term was basically coined because at that time, people, what they were doing, that they were storing their valuables in coffee cans, old coffee cans, and they were just forgetting about it after keeping them in their backyard, right? So this was the whole idea where this term came. So you just store something in a coffee can, store in your backyard. If this is your house, you have a garden right in your backyard, you dig a hole and you put the coffee can with your valuables in it and just forget about it, basically, right? Just forget about it. So after 10 years you just pick it out, and since it is having gold and silver, the value of gold would appreciate and you'll have a lot of money suddenly, right? So that's the whole idea of coffee can investing. Now we are applying this in the stock market. In India, this is popularized by a guy called Saurabh Mukherjea. Great guy, Mukherjea. He has also written a book on this, right? Coffee can investing. Check that book, guys. I learned about it from there, but it's a great book, and this is a great concept, right? So, what does a framework look like? How can you build this long-term portfolio where you just leave it? There's no churning of different stocks, so as a result, you don't have to pay any frictional fees, which is your brokerages, etc. Right? You just sit tight, and when you open the coffee can, it is basically suddenly become multi-billions of dollars, right? So, coming to the coffee can framework, how will you filter stocks, and how can you apply this framework in India, right? So in India, it's very simple to do. We have a tool called Screener, and in that screener, with the help of that screener, we will shortlist the companies based upon two key matrices, which is capital efficiency, and I'll tell you exactly what to use for this: capital efficiency and sales growth consistency. Okay, so capital efficiency will come from return on capital employed, and growth consistency will come on return on sales, return on revenue, or return on sales, or growth in sales. And this you have to check for more than 10 years of the past 10 years, more than 10 to 15%. We will check, I'll show you how to do it. More than 15 to 20%. So simply you have to go to screener.in, put this two matrices, and third matrix you have to put is that the market cap, they should be large cap companies, so that they're stable. Market cap should be more than 5,000 crores. So in the stock exchange, there are listed companies are more than 5,000, and once you put this filter, it will reduce it to 40 to 50 companies. So there itself, like with the use of this technology, you are right up there. You have screened the companies from 5,000 to 40 to 50 meeting your criteria. Now, how to get the top 20 picks from this 40 to 50 companies? Very simple. You keep on increasing in your filter these terms. So slowly increase it to 20% ROCE, and likewise revenue or sales growth to 25%. Just an example, guys. You can do it. I think within 15 to 20% you'll get your 10 to 15 number, but you slowly keep on increasing this until you get 15 stocks. And once you get these 15 stocks, then one more thing you have to do with the help of AI, and I'll make a future video on this, how to use it. Find this basically do this with the help of AI. Is you have to ensure that the companies are having ethical management and are having clean accounting. Basically, they are not doing any bad things in their accounting, they're hiding something. And you can very well use this AI by uploading these annual reports into ChatGPT and asking them a series of questions, which I will cover in my next video. And once you do this, once you have the solid list of stocks, you can basically invest in them, a lump sum of money, or over a year or couple of years, or 2 to 3 years, and then forget about it for the next 10 to 15 years, right? And once you do this, you are bound to make a lot of money, because these are great businesses and you're giving a lot of time for them to compound at 15, 20, 30% every year, right? So this is a simple way you can use the strategy of coffee can investing and make a lot of wealth, create a lot of wealth for you in the stock market. Now, in the conclusion of this video, I want to give you something very, very important to understand, that India is an emerging volatile market, right? So this gives you a lot of opportunity to get these stocks, which can make your coffee can portfolio, right? So don't waste this opportunity, guys. Use it to build a lot of wealth, right? And this helps eliminate, this coffee can strategy helps eliminate noise, emotion, because you're just investing once and forgetting about it, and overthinking, basically, right? And once you do this, you are bound to make a lot of wealth in the stock market. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel if you're new here. And another video coming up with a lot of AI explanation on how I analyze the financial statements and make informed decisions in the market. Thanks again for watching the video, guys. I'll see you again in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I will see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.